I'm Pranav VK, the CEO and founder of the Intraday Expert. So I train people in the Indian stock market to become independent traders. So basically, I wanted to leverage on the knowledge that I have and the skill that I had developed over the years. I was able to make consistent results in the stock market, but I was struggling with, helping other people do the same. So that is when I joined UAbility in 2019, and today I'm a part of X. So the biggest value has been handholding for me, because these two have been pillars for me in every aspect of my business as to in which direction I have to take it. I always had, lack of focus into which direction I have to concentrate on more with respect to sales or marketing, or how much importance I have to give with respect to, your website, or should I concentrate more on my sales, or should I, build a team to, scale up. But then I understood that it is the power of singular focus on one thing that is most important using data. So these people taught me how to, analyze data and concentrate on fixing the problem at the root cause. So to start with, I was doing a 9-to-5 job when I joined UAbility. But then, for 6 months, I did not take any action on the course or anything because, you might call it a laziness, or, kind of ignored it. I paid the money. That was the first singular biggest payment I had made in my life, but still I ignored it. And then again started searching for coaches and went to random programs, and ultimately figured out that nothing works. And ultimately came back to UAbility Elite that I had already bought, started implementing the stuff, started getting results. I always had a dream that I wanted to build a website on my own, right? So the step-by-step approach taught by Rohan helped me do that. And at the same time, not only did I build my own website, I made 30 lakhs worth of sales using that website. And today I'm in a position where I'm able to hire an entire team to do my website and also scale my business to the next level. So when I was in Elite, I was basically doing training sessions live. So these people sorted my leads problem, my sales problem, but now the delivery was an issue, because now the demand was so high that I was not able to deliver to the clients and meet the demand. So now I had to find a system that could be actually scalable. So that's when I actually, joined Mastermind to automate my entire delivery process, and now I'm able to scale it very easily. So if someone wants to join Mastermind X, I would recommend first book a call with Pratham, because you genuinely get to know if you're in the right position to join Mastermind or not. If you are joining in and if he agrees or Rohan agrees that you can join Mastermind, then you're sure to get results. So the first action you should be taking is booking a call with them. Sum up my experience with number one, you'll learn, your mindset is going to get better. Number two, when your mindset becomes better, you're in a search of what is the right direction to go forward, because now you have the motivation to go for it, but you don't know which direction. You get the direction, and once you get the direction, now you're kind of struggling as to how do I get my finances, how do I manage it. You get to learn that as well, how to manage your finances so that you can refund it into your business and scale it. And once you have done all this, next comes scaling up your business to hire your team, or fixing the entire system. You get to learn about that as well. And last but not the least, you get a community in Mastermind who are, making businesses or in revenues that run in multiple CRs.